Welcome to your hypnotic journey for snoring relief. I'm Lauren Archer, and I'll be your guide. The purpose of this program is to allow you to access the power of your inner mind, to create gentle shifts of awareness in your mind and in your body while you sleep, allowing you to gently open your airways, shift your position, breathe easily, and sleep comfortably all night long. And so as we begin, I invite you to find a comfortable position. And as you follow the sound of my voice, if you notice any distracting sounds, you can simply ignore them, or perhaps allow them to help you relax more and more deeply. And of course, if any of the suggestions that you hear don't feel right for you, your inner mind will automatically make an adjustment, replacing it with an idea or a thought that does feel right for you. So let's begin by taking a few moments to relax your physical body, noticing your breathing, allowing some gentle in and out breaths, as your body already knows how to do so well. And you may have heard that science has now proven that taking just a few moments to relax can counteract the effects of stress on the body. So I invite you to direct some attention to the muscles in your face, allowing your forehead and temples to gently relax. Becoming aware of the muscles around your jaw, as this is an area where tension sometimes gathers, and allowing these muscles to relax and let go. Letting your eyes feel comfortably closed. And as you allow the muscles of your face to continue to relax, I invite you to direct some attention to the muscles of your head and scalp, noticing any sensations and just allowing them to be as you invite your head and scalp muscles to relax. Moving on down into your neck and shoulders, noticing any areas of tightness or tension, and allowing these areas to soften, letting the tension drift away from your body. And moving down through your shoulders into your arms and hands, allowing your arms and hands to feel loose and limp and relaxed. Noticing any sensations and just allowing them to be. And becoming aware of your breathing once again, allowing your breathing to be gentle and relaxed. And as you take in a full, easy breath and exhale, I invite you to allow your chest and abdomen to let go and relax. softening, relaxing, breathing easily. And becoming aware of the muscles in your back. Once again, noticing any areas of tightness or tension, and allowing them little by little to soften, letting that tension drift away from your body, gently relaxing your muscles little by little. Moving down through your hips and thighs, noticing how your body is supported as you allow your hips and thighs to relax, feeling more and more comfortable. And moving down through your legs and feet, noticing any sensations and just allowing them to be as you allow your legs and feet to feel loose and limp and relaxed. And now I invite you to notice how much control you have over your relaxation response with your entire body. In a moment, I'm going to count backwards from 3 to 1, and I invite you to relax just a little bit more on each number. Letting go with the number 3, see if you can relax your entire body just a little bit more. Number 2, letting go just a little bit more. And number 1, that's right, very deeply relaxed. And each and every time you choose to notice your body's level of relaxation, you can become aware of how much control your mind has over the responses of your physical body. Many of the responses in your body happen subconsciously, and there is a level of awareness of your subconscious mind that is now noticing the connection between your mind and your body. And this level of your inner mind can simply observe as your body continues to relax more and more. And in a moment, I'm going to invite you to imagine a beautiful, safe, special place. This can be any place you choose, real or make-believe. Let it be a place that's just for you, completely safe, where you feel totally free and comfortable. A place where you can breathe easily. Let this be a place where you feel completely comfortable, happy and calm, where there's no one to disturb you. You can just relax, breathe easily, and feel good. And as your mind creates the details and the images in this special place, I invite you to begin to notice what kind of a day it is here in your inner world. Perhaps you may notice if the air is warm or cool. Is it humid or dry? Is it still or is there a breeze? Perhaps you can notice if the air has a particular smell or taste. Our ears help us determine where we are in space and time. Notice, if you will, what kind of sounds you observe in this world around you. Perhaps you may notice where you are in relationship to the other things in this environment. As these images get richer and more real, I invite you to allow yourself to fully experience being in your inner world and invite a sense of peace and calm, relaxation, and good feelings to fill your entire body. As you gently breathe in and out, you can allow these wonderful feelings to get stronger, feeling better and better on each and every breath. And as you relax and enjoy these good feelings, here in this wonderful inner world, know that you can come back to this place and experience these good feelings anytime you choose. In a moment, I'm going to count backward from 10 to 1. On each number, I invite you to relax deeper into yourself. So beginning with the number 10, gently relaxing deeper and deeper within. Number 9, feeling more and more relaxed and comfortable. Number 8, letting go, gently relaxing. Number 7, feeling that gentle in and out flow of your breath so clearly. Number 6, feeling so good, so relaxed. Number 5, knowing you are completely safe and supported. Number 4, relaxing deeper and deeper down. Number 3, gently drifting down, down, deeper relaxed. Number 2, drifting deeper into yourself. and number 1 all the way down, very deeply relaxed. And from this wonderful, deep state of relaxation, your mind is able to make new connections in your brain and throughout your body. There are no limits within the realm of your imagination and your mind. And your subconscious mind is now capable of being fluid, making new behaviors and transitions and communications possible within different parts of your brain and your body. And all of this happens effortlessly, without any need for you to do anything specific, except relax and open your mind to the possibility. Now let us give a direct suggestion to your inner subconscious mind. I'd like to address the part of your inner mind that regulates the control of your breathing habits while you are sleeping. From now on, this part of your subconscious mind will always begin to notice when there is a form of a blockage or snore about to happen. This part of your inner mind will remain aware all night long while your conscious mind sleeps. And from now on, whenever there is even a slight obstruction in the back of your throat, before a snore can begin, this part of your subconscious mind is empowered to notice and send a signal immediately before a snore or blockage can begin. This signal is automatically delivered to a new part of your brain. A part of your brain that is close to your conscious awareness. And it sends a message to shift and move, saying, move over, turn, and open. And as soon as this new part of your brain gets that signal, a full breath happens easily and effortlessly. Your body shifts into a more comfortable position. Your palate opens up, and you feel so good as your conscious mind remains sleeping. From now on, as soon as the subconscious mind notices the beginning, just the hint of a start of a snoring sound, there is an immediate signal to a new part of your brain that sends this message: move over, turn, and open. Your brain automatically creates a shift and an opening of the throat to a full breath. and you are able to remain sleeping. This happens easily, consistently, and the change is permanent. From now on, your inner mind has a new awareness. Your inner mind is always on alert to recognize the precursor, the very beginning of any clogged or slightly blocked airway. And from now on, as soon as your inner mind notices this precursor, it causes an immediate shift in response. From now on, when your inner mind begins to notice even the precursor to a clogged airway or the beginning of a snore, you immediately become aware. And that awareness creates an opening response in your airway, allowing you to breathe easily and effortlessly. Your inner mind wakes up just enough to create the opening, while your conscious mind stays asleep. Your breaths are free and clear, and you can sleep peacefully with an open, unblocked palate. From now on, your subconscious mind is on the job of being able to stay alert to the beginning of any snore, any old pattern, and it immediately creates a new pattern, a new response, opening up your airways, allowing you to feel comfortable, to sleep peacefully, and to breathe easily. And it feels so good. And it's easy for your inner mind to complete this responsibility. Your inner mind knows that each and every act that is for your highest good will benefit each and every cell in your body, allowing you to stay in the sleeping state with more comfort. And this new awareness with your inner mind opens up more opportunities for communication from the deepest levels. Your subconscious mind finds new ways from now on to be able to send messages that trickle up and filter through to your consciousness, allowing you to more easily access your inner wisdom. And now, let's move to a time in the future, creating a mental rehearsal where you are sleeping so soundly in your bed. And now you can breathe so easily. And even if any old patterns should begin to resurface, even for a moment, from now on, it gets interrupted. The old habit is interrupted from now on with a signal from your subconscious mind that connects to a new part in your brain. This signal says, move, turn, and open. Easy breath. And you imagine yourself continuing to sleep peacefully, breathing easily, feeling better than ever before. And from now on, each and every night, while you sleep, that new connection in your inner mind to the new part of your brain is made stronger and stronger. New neural pathways are being connected right now. I don't know if you can sense what it feels like, but your inner mind knows. And the more times you connect those pathways, and the more times those signals are sent back and forth, the more permanent this change is. And tonight and every night while you sleep, your subconscious mind restores and renews each and every cell in your body. Your brain and mind send new cells and healing energy throughout every system. Your respiratory system has a new flow, everything working harmoniously, naturally, staying open and clear, easily and effortlessly. Your brain and mind have the power to re-energize and revitalize each and every cell, opening up and allowing the smooth and easy flow of breath circulating freely throughout your body. Perhaps you may even imagine or sense that circulation and flow right now as you breathe easily and fully. And in every area of your life, you can allow old obstructions to gently drift away as new energy and information flow easily back and forth, circulating throughout your mind and body. Allowing any obstructions to be cleared from your physical body. Allowing any obstructions to be cleared from your emotional body. And allowing any obstructions to be cleared from your spiritual or energy body. As the obstructions are released, you may begin to feel a new sense of ease, perhaps feeling in the flow, healthy and whole, renewed and revitalized. From now on, any changes you choose to make in your life can happen more easily because your mind and body now know how to release obstructions as well as to make new connections. Any information that you choose to learn is learned easily and effortlessly because you are continuing to create new neural pathways in your brain. And that sense of ease flows through every area of your life. And I invite you to give yourself permission to celebrate these changes. Perhaps even feeling a sense of gratitude in your mind and body. Feeling so good, feeling relaxed, so healthy and complete. These changes are now part of your permanent cellular memory and habit patterns. So let's take a moment now to just relax and enjoy this new connection and new relationship with parts of your inner mind, allowing any new wisdom to filter up right now, allowing any messages to your conscious mind that will be helpful to you this day, this week, and in the month to come. Allowing the messages to be revealed as you relax and listen to the music. From now on, these messages from your inner mind come through easily and effortlessly. You feel completely at peace and in tune with all parts of your mind. From now on, this connection to your inner wisdom is always there, revealing inner guidance to your conscious mind each and every day. And each and every night, while you sleep, your inner wisdom continues to allow that smooth and easy flow. If there are any areas in your life which you feel would like some special attention, comfort, soothing, or healing, your inner mind can allow an open flow of energy into these areas, allowing healing to take place automatically. And in a few moments, I'm going to count forward once again from 1 to 10. If it is your normal time to fall asleep, you can simply ignore the suggestions to awaken and instead drift into a deep, restful, restorative sleep, able to breathe clearly and openly all night. Tonight and every night while you sleep, your body and mind are working together for your highest good. And when you awaken, you'll feel fully refreshed and alert, filled with enthusiasm for all of the positive changes in your life, enjoying the new flow of energy in your mind and body. So beginning with number 1, gently returning your awareness to this present time and space. Number 2, noticing the sounds around you. Number 3, becoming aware of how your body is supported. Number 4, noticing the gentle in and out flow of your breath. Number 5, becoming aware of your fingers and toes. Number 6, feeling that energy coming back into your body. Number 7, becoming more and more alert and refreshed. Number 8, breathing fully and completely. Number 9, allowing your body to gently stretch. And number 10, coming all the way back, feeling refreshed and wonderful. And when you're ready, open your eyes.